In previous video, we were discussing about the uses and properties of chlorine. Now in this video, we are going to talk about HCl. And HCl is also one important topic of the P block elements. And see, first time Glauber prepared this acid in 1648. Remember, in 1648, first time Glauber has prepared the HCl, heating common salt with the concentrated sulfuric acid. Now again 1810, Davy, Humphrey Davy, so that it is a compound, and then we came to know about the hydrochloric HCl. It was discovered, but it was not written as a HCl. Hydrochloric acid, only it was known as acid, but Varnoti, and that acid is come to know in day. Now its preparation in laboratory by heating sodium chloride with, in laboratory it is very easy to make the help of the sodium chloride. This is the sodium chloride and this is the sulfuric acid, and at 420 Kelvin they are giving us sodium hydrogen sulfate and HCl. This sodium hydrogen sulfate is also react with the NaCl at 823 Kelvin temperature and give way the HCl and SO4. So this is the very simple story about the HCl. In industries, HCl is directly prepared by reacting H2 and Cl2, and that will be the simple thing, H2 plus Cl2 to HCl. HCl gas can be dried by passing through concentrated sulfuric acid. Such observed gas is having lots of amount of the water character, because oxygen and hydrogen are also very low, so they also produce the water vapor, so it can be dried by using always. SO4 is very important to catch out the water, and that's why we can use that water to remove water sulfuric acid, and that will be our task. So hope that you understand the preparation of HCl. Now here we are talking about the properties and uses of HCl, and that will be enjoyed. Properties. It is a colorless and pungent smelling gas. HCl ખોલેલું હોય તો તમને એની ખાટી ખાટી વાસ આવવાનું ચાલુ થઈ જાય. તો જે ખાટી pungent smell આવે છે, that is of HCl. It is easily liquefied to colorless liquid and whose boiling point is 189 Kelvin and freezes to solid freezing point is 159 Kelvin is the top for the hydrochloric. It is extremely soluble in water and ionized as follow: HCl plus H2O, that's give H3O plus Cl minus. And remembrance point is, dear students, that here most important talk. Let's see what is the most important talk. The most important talk of the value of K of this equation. And look out the value of K. The value of K of this equation is nearby 10 raised to 7. What? And 10 raised to 7 positive. It's too much in chemistry. As this value is too high, is believed to be strong acid. Why HCl? Because its Ka value is very high and it is up to 10 raised to 7. Okay, so hope that you cleared. Its aqueous solution is called hydrochloric acid. High value of dissociation constant, that is K, indicate that it's acid in water. Okay. In the manufacture of chlorine and glucose from starch, it is used for extracting glue from the bone and purify bone break. Now this will be interesting talk. This is that. Why? In which thing we, and you know, in our bone cut out. So when bone is cut out, at that time there will be some narrow thing inside. Hole, થોડુંક mass hole, that is known as bone marrow. And to remove to purify bond black. Pricing item. What is that? Bond black શું છે? હે ને તો વિચારવા જેવું છે એક. Okay, so bond black are nothing but when sugar is prepared, at that time sugar has yellow color, and to remove this yellow color of the sugar, bond black is used, and that's why this is the bond black. So when you will eat sugar in medicine and as a laboratory reagent, another use and as a laboratory reagent. So this is also talk about the hydrochloric hydrochloric acids, its reaction we have completely here we have done about the now the interhalogen compounds. Halogen can combine with itself. If we talk about oxygen, both are in same series. Oxygen and sulfur can combine to give sulfur dioxide. So like this, here also interhalogen can combine with the compound. This is known as interhalogen compound. Mix with each other, then interhalogen compounds are formed. They can be assigned general composition. જો આટલા બધા interhalogen compounds છે, that you XX dash છે, okay, બીજું છે XX dash 3, XX dash 5 and XX dash 7. Now what is X and what is X dash? Where X is halogen of larger size and X dash is a smaller size. Okay, so I would like to explain this in another better idea about fluorine, then chlorine, then bromine, then these are the main four halogen: fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Okay, out of this fluorine size, chlorine is a small, bigger than the fluorine but smaller than the bromine. Okay, highest. So iodine will have different idea. So X always be iodine. X always be X dash always F. This is our king. બીજા બધા વચ્ચેના બદલાતા રહેશે. But if we go with this, then X dash always fluorine બનશે. Iodine હંમેશા X હશે. So that means what? કે fluorine 1 time, 2 time, 3 times કે પણ કોણ ના હોઈ શકે? 3 time, 5 time અને 7 times નહીં હોઈ શકે. જો અહીંયા આપણને અહીંયા 3 times આપ્યો છે, 5 times 7 time આપ્યો છે, X dash બને છે. તો આયોડિન X dash નહીં બની શકે કારણ કે આયોડિનની સાઇઝ. આવા ક્વેશ્ચન આમાં ખાસ પૂછાય છે. તો I am asking you one question. I am showing you FCl3. તો આમાંથી ClF3 is possible but FCl3 is not possible. F cannot be X. નાની સાઇઝ છે એ મલ્ટિપલ ટાઈમ આવી શકે, સિંગલ ટાઈમ નહીં આવી શકે. FCl3 is not possible, ClF3 possible. Now you think by yourself, Br3 possible છે કે નહીં? Think yourself, Bri3. These are the talk about this point. Radii of X and X dash increase. Thus, iodine, the 7th number of atom, as the ratio of radii between ion. That's why formula is maximum number of atoms. હશે IF7 હશે, આનાથી વધારે ના હોઈ શકે. પોસિબલ છે બટ હોઈ ના શકે because મેન્ટેન નહીં થાય. So IF7 is possible છે but naturally available. 7 possible છે but naturally available નથી. That's are the idea about compound in practice. Now we are going to talk the properties of the halogen compounds and what they can do. Okay, so this will be our topic. Okay, so up to I think so time is over. So afterwards we will do in next video. Hope that you will